Okay, so we finally got it out of the bowl. We've got the countertop ready. So now it's time to butter up our hands. I'm filming Taylor through the headrest. We're on Taylor Vision. Are we home now, Mr. Toasties? He finally talked to the camera. Good morning. So we are getting our day started. Ooh, I'm blinded. Trying to get the kids up and going so that we can go down to the river and do a hike for today. I know that Sarah's not been feeling good, and I know that she's kind of been bummed and down and all that. But I think we need to just get her away from the house, get her out, get her doing what she was doing prior to all this stuff going all bad. So that's what I want to do with her today. We're going to get her outside and see if we can't get her going. After this. Hey guys, check out what we got in today. Heck yeah, we got our Daily Bump swag going on. Let's see that one, Sarah. Sarah got hers in a purple.
There, how's that?
Woohoo!
Yep. Green.
Does that work? And Taylor's in green. And I got mine in black. I'm so excited.
Oh, all black. You're gonna
and he's got nothing. Good. I mean, it's all sweat.
Musty. Got nothing.
Yeah. Ready to get out of the house,
you guys
huh?
Percy. Okay, ready?
Don't now. She goes away.
I cannot believe she actually did it.
Yeah, come on, sis.
I can't believe she actually did that. She's crazy. Come on up here.
Let's see if she can.
Well, I don't want her having a seizure out there in the water, because if she starts seizing out in the water.
You should try that, Mama.
No, thank you. Don't throw it at her. Oh my gosh, guys, we just had the most amazing bird show ever. That was beyond awesome. What did you think of that, Sarah?
So fun.
That was so amazing. Like, I'm gonna put in some amazing GoPro footage. we just got home. We went over to Walmart. I went ahead and got some magic erasers. So I'm gonna try to get that black stuff off my bumper. So we're gonna give it a shot. So we got a big box of these magic eraser Great Value brand because they were the same price for all of these as they were for like four of like the, what do you call them, Mr. Clean ones. So, and then of course we enjoyed these so much last night. We ended up getting 2 more boxes of the shrimp kind of the, what do you call these again? Sushi rolls.
Shrimp and
why don't you go get me the other ones out of the freezer out there too. We'll just put them in here. And then I also got the kids, because they've been really, really sick at night. I got them some NyQuil. At least that way we'll have it. And then they each got a drink for tonight. Oh yeah, Sarah wanted the blue. Taylor picked out this kind. So I'm gonna clean up in here. And then tonight, guys, I am making a salmon. So we're doing a big, huge salmon with fresh green beans. So you guys get to join us on that, because I know that we have a subscriber named Dale who really enjoys when I do the dinners and cooking. So there's the other 2. And so I told him I would start definitely vlogging more of our cooking expeditions there. So that's what we're gonna do tonight. Okay guys, so I was just editing and I realized the ending part of the vlog did not come out. So we get to re-record that part of it, but this person is out here watching, you watching Ouija again? Huh? She's playing around on the computer, eating lemons. You got that face down on the couch. I wouldn't do that. But anyway, right, sour. Dinner was delicious, let me tell you what. That was so yummy. Oh my gosh. So the aftermath of dinner, this is all that's left. So nothing in there. Oh, a little bit of fish skin. Yeah. So anyway, it was delicious. It came out amazing. Hope you enjoyed that, Dale. Give that a try sometime. But yeah, so I'm gonna wrap up the vlog right here and just let you guys know, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button. Yep. And come back, see us again tomorrow. We vlog it every day, whether things are good or bad. Hey guys, thanks again for watching. Bye. Okay, good. So we ended up over here, guys, at the hospital. She had 8 seizures within an hour and a half, and so her muscles